Hello, this is Abhishek Paul, registration number URN5CA058. Today I need to do a program in my data structure lab batch 3. My question is to implement hashing with collision resolution techniques with the function for insert, search and display. I'm going to proceed with the codings. Starting the header file with the hash include IO stream, that's the input on function of the program. Then using namespace standard function. Then I'm initializing size h as 0. Then taking array of size 10. Then I c as 0. Then I'm creating a function void insertion that integer data type parameter. Then I'm taking integer pos is equals to data modulus size h, and if a of pos is equals to -1, then data will be stored in a of pos. Else it will start for I is equals to pos plus 1 modulus h, and I is not equals to pos, and I is equals to I plus 1 modulus h. Then if a of I is equals to -1, the data will be stored in a of I, otherwise, and break it will break the statement. Then if I is equals to pause, then it will print the hash table is equals to full. Then creating another function, void display function. In that I initialize c as 0. Then it will print the number that no element is present in the hash table. Then starting a for loop, that is for I is equals to 0, I is less than size h, I plus plus. Then storing the value in c in a of I. Then in searching an element, then taking int y. Then int pos equals to data modulus h, and if a of pos is equals to data, then it will return. Otherwise, for y is equals to pos plus 1 modulus size h, and a of y is not equals to -1, and y is not equals to pos, and y is equals to y plus 1 modulus size of h. And then if a of y is if data will be stored in a of y, it will return y. And if pos equals to not equals to a of y, it will return -1. Then I am starting the main function that will the hello cout command will ask the size of the hash table. Then cn size h it will initialize. Then taking int n value and character ch, and starting a for loop for k is equals to 0, k is less than size h, k plus plus. Then initializing of k as -1. It's taking a do while loop for the user to enter its choices. Then printing a statement where cout statement, that is 1 for insertion, 2 for display, and 3 for searching. Then starting switch cases. In that, case 1 is for the enter the value to be searched. Then it will break. Then C2 case 2 is for the display, and case 3 is for the searching. Case 1 is for the insertion, case 2 is for display, and case 3 is for searching. Then break that default choice. Then it will ask whether you want to continue or not, that while loop. I'm gonna run and show you the program. Enter the size of the hash table. Yes, 4. 1 for insertion. Enter the data to be searched, to be inserted. 2. Y. Again insertion. 3. Y. Again insertion. Y. Again insertion. Y. Again insertion. Hash table. Now I've created a hash table of 4. Now it's displaying a message. Hash table is 4. Continue. I'll display. I have displayed 7523. Now I'll again continue. I'll search the element. Whether if I want to search 4, it's 4 is not again present. Now again searching. Enter the value to be searched. I'll search for 5. 5 is present at 1. So this is the video. Thank you for watching it.